the best baby monitor on the market, you guys, or camera, indoor camera, you know, to see your loved ones. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing a review on Arenti baby monitor. But it's not only a baby monitor, you guys. You can use it for spying on your boyfriend, husband, or an elder. You know, it's just good to have cameras that you can hear, talk, see through your phone and a monitor they give you. Let's unbox this. So this one is a all nanny 2 camera kit. It's 2K baby monitor LCD screen, you guys. This is one of the best monitors on the market for the price, you guys. You can definitely get it on Amazon or their actual website. Now that we explained where you could get it from, I will definitely have the links and everything down below. So in this video, I'm going to set it up with you guys. I'm going to go in detail of why you need this one and why I like it and how it's helping me so much. So let's unbox it. Looks like that. Everything is individually wrapped. I love that, love that, love it. This is the monitor that I was talking about, you guys. That is perfect. So if you're out or watching your kids, you get to see what are they up to. I love how they wrap it, double wrapping it. Nice big screen. Very easy, simple, lightweight. So that's what it looks like. And the buttons have a nice little push, and it's a button on top here to turn it on. It has a protector cover over the screen that we would just slide off like this. Ooh, love it. This brochure, it's really easy to read. It has great detailed pictures that I really like because I don't like looking at instructions. So it's very, very simple, and they're gonna give you like a scan barcode. If you have an Android or an iPhone, you can upload the app. All right, this is what the monitor looks like, you guys. It's not that big. Look at my hand. It is so cute and modern. I love gray. I have it actually charged in. They actually give you the whole charger cord, that extremely long, and their plug. That's great. Because, you know, when you buy iPhones, you don't even get that extra little plug-in adapter now. It's just so weird how everything has changed. It's a little chip in here. You could put a recording chip. It's going to go in there. Your speaker right here. And we're going to just take the sticker off so you guys can see. This is just the screen to protect it. I love when they package it so high end like that. Really, really great quality. And it is charging because you see the red. Oh my gosh. It's making noise. It's calling somebody. Oh, that's so cool. I just barely pushed this button. You hear that? Oh my gosh, this is so high tech, you guys. It doesn't make any sense. So now we're gonna go in and figure this all out. All right, everything's individually in plastic bags. The charger thing, I love it. They actually give you 2 because it does come with 2 cameras. This is the little kit that's gonna go on the wall. They actually give you your own screws and another plug-in. Love it. I think it's a really good idea to put it on the wall, especially if you have like toddlers. I have a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old, and I know they would love to like mess with this. So I probably would have to put it up high when I install it in their room. The bunny ears is the trademark of this whole shebang. This is what I love. This is what makes it stand out from the rest of everything on the market. That just slides on like you're putting a little headband on somebody. It is so adorable. It's like a rubbery plastic kind of material. And voila. And you don't have to have it. It's just really adorable and cute, you know, to go with the baby room. So now that we have that, we have this all set up as well. We're gonna plug her up. We have them plugged up, they're lit up, and we're gonna see how great high-end quality this video of this baby monitor is. Because wow, looking at the reviews and other people's sites, I was like, the quality of this is remarkable. It's unbelievable. Now you paid all that money for have high quality on your phone, and now it's time to actually use it. You know what I mean? I have to tell you about these amazing features. They are incredible. I've never seen no baby monitor that has features like this one, on top of it looking so freaking adorable. This just popped out. You think batteries are in there, but it just lifts up. It's actually the kickstand, and the plug is just like this. This is the new adapter that they're using for iPads too, so you can use it for your iPad too. Because these things are expensive, these chargers. So like I said, it came with a cord. This one's a little bit shorter, but the ones for the cameras are a lot longer. And then this is the plug. So we got a total of 3 charger cords with the actual adapter. That's amazing. That's amazing. I love how they have like a little indent to grip it. I don't know if you can see that. And we'll put this USB right in there. Plug this baby up. It's that static. Right, so it's gonna look like that when it charges, you guys. Looks like it's fully charged, charging up. I love how the buttons feel when I push it. Very easy to click. Very easy and understanding to use. I can hear myself echoing in here. That is so awesome. Let's turn that feature off. Okay. Wow. All right, so you guys see the screen? I'm in the screen, got the camera set up, 2 different angles right there and there. And I can adjust the camera going up or down. And they can hear me and I can hear them. That is so awesome. So all these great features, you guys. It has humidity. That is awesome. Hooks up to the internet. Not only for here that it works, it also works on your phone. So as we're on the screen, we just press this arrow to the side and we're moving the camera around. Look at that. The camera is moving around. It's on my bed frame. Now it's going. And there I am. That is so adorable. Okay, so it's when you see this little piece, that means it's on camera 2. We want to flip it off of camera 2 onto the next camera. Now you can hear that. I'm going to turn sound off because we both have them in the same room. We want to brighten the screen so you guys can see it better. We can take pictures on the screen right here once you have a SD card. Video. Music, we can play music. And we're on camera 2, so we're going to switch it to camera 1. So once you guys upload it on the app, you're going to see so many other great features. But for right now, you have a reminder to feeding, a temperature. Oh, that is unbelievable. Because, you know, that's just so amazing to have. This screen is not touch screen, but that is fine. The camera is right here, one of the cameras. And there we go. It's on me now. This is unbelievable. Like, even though my kids are not infants anymore, you know, I need this so bad because they play hide and go seek. I don't know where they're at. I love that this does sound so they can hear me. And it's also used as a night light. So if you have your little babies that are scared, you can also use this as a night light. There we go. This is so easy to use, you guys. All right, I put the speaker on. You can hear it now in the camera. Yes. Hi. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, you guys. Awesome. By pushing this button right here on the monitor, somebody's calling you from the camera. So not only you can talk to them, they can talk to you and find you if you're holding the monitor. Love it. The music. I love it, you guys. It's playing music and you get to pick from different sounds. So clear. The other sound, that's sound 2. All right, so right here, from going down here, you tap on this one, you press it on or off. It's so easy, just push that button and you can get the off and on button. And I turned it on and look over here. That's the night light. Oh, that is so beautiful. So beautiful. And humidifier, the temperatures. And I could set it to what it will remind me at or alert me for what I want it at. Anytime I want to go back to the main screen, I press this bottom button right here, and it's going to take me to this screen where I can custom to whatever I want. Love it. That's the 2 different models of cameras. I can switch to 1 or 2. So easy, you guys. So easy. All right, so it's right there on the ledge of the fireplace, you guys, and there's the view. Really easy to see. I can just press the arrow and it's actually gonna maneuver in whatever direction I wanna see that's missing. And that is so wonderful. It's kind of interesting. I put it by a mirror, so if I turn it around, it'll show the reflection of the mirror. But I'm loving this because I could check my sliding glass doors, activity in the kitchen, and the front door as well. So, and then I can talk and you can hear me. And I could tell my kids to get out the kitchen because they're always trying to find treats. Screen, I just put in camera 2. I haven't plugged camera 2 up. That is not my baby. And I will install that one upstairs, but I'll show you how you can split screen. Very simple, push of a button. So now I'm in the baby's room. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I'm not able to view the whole room for it to sitting on the shelf, but it looks so cute there. So I'm actually going to screw it on the wall. So this is a piece that you'll need to actually get it on the wall, and it's so easy to do. I don't even think I went into just the drywall, but it's just gonna click on there and then you twist it, and then that's how it hangs on the actual wall. I'm really enjoying installing this and actually using it because the quality of the screen and the camera and the uniqueness of the sound and the songs you can pick in the humidifier is unremarkable, and how easy it is to use with my long fingernails to click the buttons. I'm even loving that I'm able to record actual videos and I'm able to talk to my kids. This is so great. I've definitely needed something like this. This is a great extra feature to add to my daily routine. Even if I'm in the backyard or I'm cooking, I can still interact with my kids and be there and watch what they're doing. doing, or even guests or company or a boyfriend or a loved one. You know, this is so convenient now that I can interact with my company or my kids. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.